I'm very excited about this one. This one is a very good news. Like, YouTube has made getting our 4,000 watch hour very easy. When I mean very easy, very, very easy. You can be sleeping and be getting your 4,000 watch hour. You can be cooking and be getting your 4,000 watch. Like, anything, anywhere you are, you can just be busy doing your thing and your 4,000 watch hour will be loading. Like, this one is very, 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 very easy, very, very simple. No more using of restream. No more using of people's video to do restream. No, YouTube has added a feature that will make getting our 4,000 watch hour very easy. Is it not a good news? Is it not a good news? You know, if you come to this YouTube street, anybody you ask, what's your biggest challenge? They will ask you getting 4,000 watch hour, because getting 1,000 subscriber is no longer much problem, but your 4,000 watch hour. So that's why I came today to share with you very easy way, like easiest way you can get your 4,000 watch hour. No more restream. It's true live, but there is one feature they added on live that made it easy for us to get our 4,000 watch hour very fast. Because I have been testing this feature since yesterday. If you're on my page since yesterday, you notice that I have been on live since yesterday. So I have been testing this feature, checking the advantage, the disadvantage, like checking everything about this feature. And what I can say about it is that this feature is very, very perfect. Like, when I mean perfect, very, very perfect. That's why I came here to share with my family that our 4,000 watch hour has arrived. Like, it's here already through this feature. So watch this video to the end if you really want to get your 4,000 watch hour. We'll be using only our Pinterest and our YouTube app. So you see, you'll not be going to restream to get your 4,000 watch hour. You'll not be using people's video or going to, is it Peacebar, to get your 4,000 watch hour. This one is that you'll be using it on YouTube channel. So there is no need of being afraid of copyright or being afraid of or YouTube striking you. No, this one you'll be using it on YouTube app, because they are the one that added that feature. So if you want to get your 4,000 watch hour, watch this video till the end. Watch it till the end. Don't miss any line. Watch it till the end. Apply this on your YouTube channel before a month, depending on how you did it. Before a month, you will get your 4,000 watch hour. Very, very fast. So let's head over to our Pinterest to download our image. You can also use your Chrome. If you didn't have Pinterest, you can also use your Chrome to download this particular image before heading over to our YouTube app to go live with this image. So see you guys in my next video. And if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do well to subscribe. Hit the notification button to be notified anytime I post a new video. Share, comment, and tell your neighbors, your friends about my channel. Support your girls, guys. See you in my next video. Bye.
So sorry guys, you'll be hearing some noise because it's raining. So on our browser or Pinterest, any one of your choice, type silent live stream. They will show you so many videos. Click on image, because we'll be using image, not the video. Screenshot it and crop it. Just crop it so that it will be only the silent live stream. You'll be seeing only the silent live stream. So after that, head over to your YouTube app. If you reach there, click on this plus icon there, then choose live. So if you choose live, you click on this pen icon to set your live, to set your live. Then tap on this edit icon to upload your thumbnail. The thumbnail that you'll be uploading here is the silent live stream that we uploaded from the browser. That is the only thumbnail that you upload there, so that people will know that it's silent live stream, so that it will not be a deceive. Don't put any other thumbnail there. And the title too, you change the title to silent live stream, so that YouTube will know that you are not deceiving anybody, because it's against their rules. So you type this thing to the title to silent live stream. Then after that, change the unlisted to public. Still wait. We are heading to the main gist, like the main feature that we are talking about today. So after clicking on, then click on next. put the this thing to not made for kids, because the video is not made for kids. Click on this icon to change the camera to this camera icon. Click on it to change the camera to back camera, so that it will not disturb our image. Then after that, mute your mic. So because of noise, tap on it, mute it. If you tap on it, it will go silent, so because of noises. And always make sure that your video is always on vertical, not horizontal, because it tends to move fast. If you put it on horizontal, that means you'll not get much views. So after everything, then click on go live. If immediately you go live, you see this icon here. This is the main icon that I'm talking about today, the new icon that YouTube added. If you click on it, your screen will automatically turn to green. That is green screen. Then they will show you images. You choose the image that you want to upload. I always advise to put picture, not video. If you put video, it will not stay long and it will finish. But if you put picture, that picture will stay up to 10 hours, because you know that it's 10 hours that you can go live at a seat. So if you go more than 10 live, that means YouTube will not count that live. So it's 10 hours that you need to stay on live, and maybe you want to start again, then you can cut it and start again. So after doing that, after uploading your picture, I always advise to use a picture that is attractive. You can use your picture, you can use a write-up, your fine pics. You can use a write-up, like a meaningful something that somebody will see and like to read it, like he or she would like to read it. That time that he or she is staying on your channel, you'll be getting your watch hour. So either you use your picture, your fine picture, or your this thing, or write-up. Another thing that you can use also is living room. Maybe that person will think that maybe this is your living room, you are still coming back, the person will just be there admiring the living room and be waiting for you. So this is the type of features that you will use pictures, not videos, so that it will stay up to 10 hours. Then when it reaches to 10 hours, then you can cut it and start afresh. So when it reaches 10 hours, you can cut it and start afresh. See, there is no way you will not get your 4,000 watch hour 3 days, because you'll be doing it anytime you see that you are busy doing another thing. You can just upload it on your YouTube and start doing what you are doing. You can be cooking and be on live. You can be doing anything. Like anytime you find yourself busy, you are not pressing your phone or something, you can just put it on, and your watch hour, anybody that comes there would like to either to read the write-up or to watch the living room, and there is no way you will not get your 4,000 watch hour very fast. I know how many watch hour I have gotten, like these 2 days that I have used this. So try this thing and let me know in the comment section whether it worked for you. So guys, this is the end of today's video. I hope you find it helpful. See you in my next video. Bye.